Hey guys, it's Marie with WTI. Do you guys like books? My kids love being read to. Ever since they were babies, we just have been collecting books, and this is definitely one of our favorites. My kids love Thomas the Train, and this book is fun not only to read but to play with. Each page has something that moves or slides or you can push up and play with. Another feature that I really like is that at the top it has the names of the trains, so if you forget, you can always just look at the top. Quality time with my kids is something that I really cherish, and this book really helps bring us together. If you are looking for a really fun book, I would highly recommend this one. I love the really fun, different things that you can do with it. It's very interactive, very hands-on. My kids love this book. I have fun reading it with them and playing with the parts that move and feeling on it. It's a really good book. And if you like Thomas and you like trains, or if you like both, this book is really good. And that's my point of view.